Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I have a specific question for you. Imagine you have a customer and the customer asks you to call them back later on their number, which starts with 0938. So my question for you is, do you know which prefix network provider that is? And if you don't, no worries. With CouponBet, we can figure it out in a matter of seconds. All you have to do is first log in on CouponBet, and once you're logged in you can see this is our dashboard, and what we need is the tools. So we click on the tools tab, and once you click on that you will see every tool right now available on CouponBet. So let's scroll down to the bottom. We need a network provider, the provider prefix checker, that's the one we need. And in here all you have to do is to fill up here the prefix that you have, and it will instantly show the matching network provider. So let's put it in 0938. There you are. You can see instantly this is a smart prefix. So now you know exactly with which phone you need to call your customer. CouponBet is designed to help your travel agency to be more organized and structured with all the tools that are available on CouponBet. And if you like CouponBet and you want to have these tools as well, go to couponbet.com and register for an account right away.